Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most awaited smartphones of the year, the Nokia 11 Pro 5G 2025. Nokia has made a massive comeback with this flagship, blending its signature durability with modern innovation and 5G power. So sit tight, because this phone is about to surprise you in ways you didn't expect from Nokia. The moment you unbox the Nokia 11 Pro 5G, you can feel the premium craftsmanship. The body is made from aerospace-grade aluminum with a matte glass back that feels luxurious and solid in your hand. The display is absolutely stunning, a 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. Colors pop beautifully, blacks are deep, and brightness peaks at 2000 nits, making it ideal for outdoor use or binge-watching your favorite shows. Nokia has truly stepped up the visual game here, offering a display that rivals even the latest Samsung and Apple flagships. Powering the Nokia 11 Pro 5G is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, combined with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This setup ensures ultra-smooth performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos on the go. The phone runs on Android 14 with a clean stock interface, promising 3 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, something Nokia is known for and continues to deliver perfectly. Now, let's talk cameras, and this is where Nokia truly shines. The Nokia 11 Pro 5G features a powerful Zeiss-engineered quad-camera system, a 200-megapixels primary sensor, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, a 32-megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixels depth sensor. The results are nothing short of breathtaking. Photos are sharp, dynamic range is excellent, and colors are natural yet vibrant. Night photography has improved drastically with AI optimization that balances brightness and detail perfectly. The front camera, at 64 megapixels, captures crystal clear selfies with rich skin tones and brilliant HDR performance. For those into videography, the Nokia 11 Pro 5G supports 8K recording at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps with optical image stabilization, giving you cinema-like footage without any jitter. The audio recording is powered by Nokia's OSO audio technology, capturing realistic spatial sound. Whether you're shooting a vlog, a short film, or your daily life, this phone handles it effortlessly. Battery life is another strong point. The massive 6000 mAh battery can easily last up to 2 days on moderate use, and with 120W fast charging, it goes from 0 to 100% in just about 25 minutes. It also supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, so you can power your accessories or another phone without any hassle. On the connectivity side, the Nokia 11 Pro 5G includes dual 5G SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that is lightning fast and accurate. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you can use it confidently in any condition. Gaming performance is top tier. With the Adreno 750 GPU and advanced cooling system, you can play heavy titles like PUBG, Genshin Impact, or Call of Duty Mobile at the highest settings without overheating. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos add a powerful sound experience, turning your mobile gaming and entertainment into a mini theater experience. In short, the Nokia 11 Pro 5G is not just a phone, it's a statement. It combines beauty, performance, and reliability in a way that truly redefines what a modern flagship can be. It's perfect for professionals, creators, and everyday users who want power and style in one package. If you've been missing the old Nokia charm but want something that competes with the best of 2025, this is the device you've been waiting for. With its premium design, mind-blowing camera, monster battery, and future-ready performance, the Nokia 11 Pro 5G is a true flagship killer that proves Nokia is officially back in the big league. So that's all for today's review of the Nokia 11 Pro 5G. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more powerful tech reviews right here on Auto Smartphone.